In this video, we will briefly showcase the most important features for managing businesses in the travel and tourism sector. After creating your account, you will notice under the Inventory menu in the Manage Services page a large collection of services that were automatically added by the system. These are services tailored to fit the nature and requirements of businesses in this sector. You can also add more services and other products based on your organization's needs by clicking on New Service. One of the key features the system provides is the ease of creating a PNR, which you can access through the Work Order menu. On the PNR page, you can add various services for the client, enter the selling price, and your purchase cost. You can also assign a separate supplier for each service. The system will then automatically generate a separate purchase invoice for each supplier, while issuing a single sales invoice that includes all services provided to the client, all from one single page. After saving the PNR, you can review it to see the total purchases, total sales, and the total profit, along with the details of each service added at the time of creation. The Invoice section here displays the sales invoice that includes all the services provided to the client. As for the purchase invoices, if there are multiple suppliers involved in the PNR, as mentioned, the system will create a separate purchase invoice for each supplier. All of these invoices will automatically be marked as unpaid, and you can view each invoice separately at any time to process the payment using your preferred method. Another feature provided by the system is the Work Orders functionality. When adding a new work order and entering the client's information, select the start and end date and enter the budget for this work order. You can assign one of your users to be responsible for following up on the file. You can also add the guest's data from this section. After saving the work orders, you can add more transactions as needed by clicking the Add button at the top. A menu will appear with various transaction types to choose from. After adding a transaction, a dedicated section will be created for it to help you stay organized, including sections for invoices, expenses, schedules, and other operations. The Work Orders section will show a report with the estimated budget for expenses, the actual expenses incurred, the invoices, and related payments. It also allows you to compare the estimated budget with actual spending and highlights the difference between revenues and expenses during the booking period. From within the work order and using the action bar, you can perform various tasks. For example, the Assign Transaction option allows you to assign an expense or purchase invoice or any other transaction that was created outside the work order. Also, the Unassigned Transaction option enables you to remove the link between transactions recorded within the work order. From the top section, you can also change the status of the work order as needed. If you wish to close the file, select Finished from the status list. This will hide the Add Transaction option. When you go to the work order page, it will only show open files by default, but you can choose to view all files, only open files, or closed files according to your needs. Finally, the system provides a variety of comprehensive reports, such as PNR reports, work order reports, and many other reports that cover all operations carried out within the system, enabling you to monitor and analyze them with ease and professionalism.